In this video, I'm going to go over how to use Google Classroom. If you think you already know, you don't have to watch this video, but you are going to be required to use Google Classroom effectively for your classes. So make sure that if you have any questions or are unsure at any point that you return to this video. So when you get an email from your teacher with an invite to join the classroom, you're going to click Join. If it brings you to the wrong classroom, you want to email your teacher right away so you can be sent an invite to the correct classroom. Once you're in, it will bring you to the timeline. If you have never been on Google Classroom before, it will walk you through this tutorial, but it's just saying that on the timeline you're going to be able to see posts that I post for you, so what your teacher is saying, but also you can put posts to the entire class here. This is great if you have a question that you think other people might also have. On the side, under Upcoming, you can see any assignments that you have coming up. So right now, there are no assignments due for this class. But if I click View All, it will bring me here, and I can see the assignments and their due dates. And there are ways to sort your assignments by things that you've been assigned, by things that you've already sent in and have been returned to you, and things that are missing. You can click on the assignment itself to expand it, and you can click any details that are there, and it will bring you to this. So I have the assignment description, how many points it's worth, and then a PDF of the actual assignment, which you could open in Kami for some of the assignments, and some of them are just for your reference. On the side here too, you can send a private comment to me with questions that you have just for me about your assignment. If you have a question that you think will help others, you can put it in the class comments just like you could on the homepage. To do the assignment, you can click here, so Your Work, Add or Create, and it will open the options for you to create that assignment. So it will allow you to attach work from Google Drive. You can attach a YouTube video or website, any kind of link. You can attach a file like a picture or something that's on your computer, a video, etc. Or you can go to any of the Google Suites things, so Docs, Slides, Sheets, Drawings, and create it from there. When you're ready to submit, you can click Mark as Done. If you aren't actually submitting anything, this will pop up and it will ask you if you're sure, and if you need to upload something, then you can click Cancel. These lines at the top will pull up the menu. You can click on the class to bring you back to the main screen. Once you're on the main screen, you can click Classwork at the top, and it will bring you to this screen where you have topics on the side that you can filter things through. For the most part in this class, it will be filtered by units or weeks. So you can see that Unit 1 is about heroes, quests, and journeys of self-discovery. And if you click on any of the assignments or classwork underneath, it will open them up like it did before. If you click up here, View Your Work, it will show you the things that are currently assigned to you. And looking here, you can see that there's a little text box with a 1 next to it. This means you have a comment on your work from me, and you should click on that to see what it is. So here I've sent a private comment just on your practice test, asking you to watch a video where I give you some feedback and then respond back to me. This tab here will bring you to the people in the class, and you can click right next to the name to send an email to that person. If you click on those 3 lines again, you can pull up this menu and you have the option to see your assignments by calendar. So here on Wednesday, September 2nd, we have a practice test and a college essay due. If we go back to that menu and click on To Do, it will show you all the work you have due for all of your classes. So right now it just has those same classes or the same assignments we've looked at before from this class, but if you had all of your classes in here, all of the work would show up. And then if you click here, it will bring you to settings. And you can decide what notifications you get. I honestly think that you should leave your notifications on so that you receive the things by email so you know to check Google Classroom and don't miss anything. And at the very bottom, you can change these preferences based on the class. So whenever you're confused about Google Classroom, return to this video, and then if you still have questions, email me.